Your laptop is more vulnerable than you think. Every day, hackers target thousands of devices, stealing passwords, tracking activities, and even taking control remotely. But don't panic, protecting your laptop doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 3 simple steps to keep your laptop safe from cyber threats. Step 1. Keep your system updated. This one sounds basic, but it's the most powerful defense you have. Updates aren't just for new features. They patch security holes hackers love to exploit. So make sure Windows or macOS updates are set to install automatically. And don't forget your browsers, antivirus, and apps. Outdated software is an open door for cyber attacks. Step 2. Use strong passwords and 2FA. Weak passwords are like leaving your front door unlocked. Use a password manager like Bitwarden or 1Password to generate and store complex passwords for you. Then enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all your important accounts. That way, even if someone gets your password, they still can't log in without your phone or code. It's a simple step that blocks 90% of common attacks. Step 3. Use a firewall and avoid public Wi-Fi. Firewalls are like digital guards. They monitor what comes in and out of your network. Windows and macOS both include built-in firewalls, so make sure they're turned on. And when you're on public Wi-Fi, never log into bank accounts or send sensitive data. If you have to, use a VPN to encrypt your connection. Apps like ProtonVPN or Windscribe offer free, secure options. Bonus tip: encrypt your laptop's drive. On Windows, turn on BitLocker. On Mac, enable File Vault. That way, even if your laptop gets stolen, your files remain locked and unreadable. It's one of the best ways to protect your private data offline. Remember, cyber threats are everywhere, but with these simple steps, your laptop can be far safer than most. Keep your software updated, use strong passwords with 2FA, and stay smart about your network connections. It only takes a few minutes to set up, but it can save you from months of headaches later. So take a moment today to lock down your laptop. Because in today's world, digital security isn't optional, it's essential. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.